In today's video, I will show you how you can make money online with different methods. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. The first idea is UGC. UGC stands for User Generated Content. Content producing brands are often looking for videos that they can use to promote. Brands often don't know how to make TikToks or Instagram circles for their products. That's where you come in. As long as you have a phone, you can start doing it and you don't have to show your face. When you start making videos, you only shoot with your cell phone. Usually you do it with an iPhone. Cameras are literally amazing and you can use the InShot app and editing all content can be free, so as long as you have a phone and basic editing knowledge, this is exactly what you can do. Idea number 2 is dropshipping. You can open a dropshipping store. Unfortunately, now there are many types of dropshipping. You've gotten a reputation as a scam because of people constantly typing to sell you courses. But I am here to honestly tell you that dropshipping is still possible in 2023 and you can still dropshipping. Earn money to launch a new dropshipping store this year. Just show you it can still be done in 2023. In fact, you can start dropshipping with $0, and I love dropshipping because you're essentially the middleman between the supplier and the buyer. Creating a storefront that creates a good sales and then the supplier's products directly to the buyer you ship. So you don't need to have inventory in your home and you don't need to buy inventory in advance. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars to do this, which is why I recommend dropshipping to people who are completely new to e-commerce and just starting out. Another thing that you can start without investment is social media reposting. For social media republishing, there are 2 ways to this side job where you can get paid to republish content creators. Facebook page to post for them. I met a lot of people who need to do this service and actually they are Facebook management companies that just start it just like this, where they just start a Facebook management company they started that they only change and repost their clients' content. That's social media because even I am busy all day, I don't have time to always search all the ways you can make money with Facebook. Can you recommend it to a client? Because I'm telling you, there are a lot of people who literally don't know that you can even make money from Facebook, which leads me to this. The next thing about this that's so amazing about this is that you don't even need to follow. You're basically setting up a page for someone who already has a following and already has fans or just retweet their content and you get paid for that. And a lot of what these management companies do is they actually take a percentage of this money that the creator makes. So if that creator is making $1 million a year and you take $20 of everything they make, that means we make 200. You'll make $1,000 a year just from that one producer. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.